Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Hainault. This is a Central Line train to White City. The next station is White City, where this train terminates. Change here for the Circle and Hammersmith City lines from Wood Lane. Exit for Westfield, London. All change, This is a Central Line train to Epping. The next station is Notting Hill Gate. The next station is Notting Hill Gate. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change on the left-hand side. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Notting Hill Gate. Change here for the Circle and District lines. This is a Central Line train to Epping. The next station is Queensway. Doors will open on the right-hand side.